Check the caliper, a 7mm thick solid copper wire. You've probably never seen such a specification wrapped smoothly and shaped flawlessly. But XIEPU use special winding machine for reactors can turn this rigid copper rod into a flexible thread. No more beating and tapping for shaping like traditional winding machines. Behind this lies its dual-core design, a high-rigidity frame paired with high-torque drive. The winding process looks silky and smooth, yet it handles the 7mm thick copper wire with ease, maintaining stability throughout, no jams, no deformation, and achieving precise, neat, in tight winding. It also easily takes on small batch, multi-variety custom orders. In terms of clamping, it supports both cantilever beam and simply supported beam structures, adapting to more coil scenarios. If needed, please contact XIEPU. Giving roses to others, the fragrance lingers on the hand. We look forward to your forwarding. Let's cooperate for mutual benefit.